Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer newsletter revenue with Ghost to Stripe payouts step by step clearly. To transfer newsletter revenue with Ghost to Stripe payouts, begin by logging into your Ghost admin panel. Navigate to the settings section on the left sidebar. Click on Payments to access your payment settings. If you haven't already, connect your Stripe account by clicking the Connect button. Follow the prompts to authorize Ghost to access your Stripe account. Once connected, return to the Payments settings page. You'll see options for managing your subscription pricing. Set up your newsletter subscription tiers if you haven't done so already. Make sure to configure the revenue share percentage to ensure proper distribution. Next, move to the Integrations tab in the settings. Ensure that any necessary integrations are properly configured for your workflows. Now, head to the Email section and choose your newsletter. Confirm that all your payment tiers are accurately reflected in the newsletter settings. Test run a subscription by signing up with a dummy account. Monitor the transaction in your Stripe dashboard. Check for successful payment processing and review the revenue details. After confirming successful transactions, adjust your settings as necessary. Finalize your setup by ensuring all your changes are saved and active. Take time to familiarize yourself with both Ghost and Stripe dashboards for better management. Your newsletter revenue transfer process is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.